नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे साइंस लवर्स, आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड। एकदम बढ़िया, एकदम मस्त, एकदम ढिंचाक एंड एनएसईजीएस एससीएचएस जैसे एग्जाम फोड़ने की तैयारी भयंकर चल रही होगी। हाय एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग, दिस इज योर निधि मैम। आई होप आई एम ऑडिबल एंड क्लियरली विजिबल। जल्दी से बता दो हाउस द जोश गाइस, हाउस द जोश। मैंने जो लास्ट वीक क्विज लिया था, आपसे पूछा था कि आप अगला कौन सा टॉपिक चाहते हो जिसपे वीक क्विज लिया जाए। तो इंडीड दैट टॉपिक इज पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट, जो बच्चों ने मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के भेजा। ऑफ कोर्स इट इज वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट वेटेज टॉपिक्स, नॉट जस्ट फॉर एनएसईजीएस बट आल्सो फॉर एससीएचएसएस, राइट। सो जल्दी से बता दो कि आप तैयार हैं टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ टुडेज वीक क्विज। वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है वीक क्विज ज्वाइन करने का, क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक एंड ज्वाइन द वीक क्विज गाइस। एंड आप जा सकते हो www.wequiz.in पे जाके वेदांतु का अपना क्विज 236028 इज द कोड दैट यू कैन यूज। यस गाइस, ज्वाइन, जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर लीजिए वीक क्विज। वीक क्विज को ज्वाइन करने का लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। लेट्स सी, क्विकली ज्वाइन द वीक क्विज, वेरी क्विक गाइस। पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट, एक सबसे फंडामेंटल चैप्टर केमिस्ट्री का वीक क्विज। आप लोगों ने कहा कि मैम इसका वीक क्विज लेना जल्दी, तो वही ले रहे हैं हम। यस, जल्दी बता दो बेटा। हाय अनन्या, हाय आधारा, एड्राप्रॉस, मयंक, अथर्व, शुवर्ती, दिव्यांशु, क्विकली ज्वाइन द क्विज एवरीवन। श्योर, जल्दी से ज्वाइन कीजिए क्विज, वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक है, जल्दी ज्वाइन करो बच्चा पार्टी, सो दैट यू कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्विज। हाँ जी, जल्दी 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 गाइस, जल्दी। हाय एवरीवन, हाय आकांक्षा, है एवरीवन, क्विकली ज्वाइन द वीक क्विज। यस प्लीज। हाय एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग। तो आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया लिंक, उसको क्लिक करना है एंड यू कैन प्ले द क्विज विद अस। ज्वाइन, जल्दी से मुझे बता दीजिए, हैव यू जॉइन्ड द वीक क्विज गाइस? लेट मी नो, हैव यू जॉइन्ड दिस वीक क्विज टुडे? एंड कोई भी बच्चा जो इस वीडियो को देख रहा है बट लाइव सेशन में वीक क्विज अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर पाया था, सेम लिंक से आप अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो क्विज, इवन जब लाइव सेशन बंद हो चुका है, एंड हो चुका है, तो कभी भी सेम लिंक से यू कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द वीक क्विज। दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ वेदांतु क्विज, वीक क्विज। Yes, have you joined guys? Quickly let me know कि क्या आप join कर चुके हैं इस week quiz को। Should I start with the very first question guys? क्या मैं first question start करूं जल्दी से? If you have joined the week quiz guys. Yep. 20 questions we'll be having, just like we'll be having 20 total question in NSEJS chemistry. So 20 questions in today's week quiz I'm going to take guys. Okay guys, I hope you have joined. I hope you have joined the quiz. Yes, should we start the quiz? Should we start the quiz? Yes. Okay, I am going to start with the quiz. I am going to start with the quiz very soon. So hurry up guys. Join the quiz. Okay. Okay, let us start with the very first question of today's week quiz. That is on a very important topic from periodic classification of elements. That is ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy and everything. For an element, the first and the second ionization enthalpies and electron gain enthalpy is given. The element would be, so you can see the value of first ionization energy, second ionization energy and the electron gain enthalpy. Quickly guys, I am looking for your answers. So guys, you can see the element. You can see the element is least reactive because ionization energies are high, whereas electron gain enthalpy is positive. That means this element doesn't want to gain or lose electron. That means it is highly unreactive. Neither it wants to lose electron nor it wants to gain electron. Right, guys? So the answer indeed is C. Let's move to the next question. A leaderboard. Let's see the leaderboard. Yes, it is the leaderboard, guys. Okay, just the first question, and Ananya gave the right answer. Of course, let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 2. Yes, let's have a question number 2. The increasing order of effective nuclear charge in sodium, aluminium, magnesium, and silicon. The increasing order of effective nuclear charge quickly, which has more nuclear charge. Sodium, aluminium, magnesium, silicon. Just figure out what is common between them. What is the common factor, guys? So anyone can join the week quiz by clicking on the link given in the description. Top of the description box, you have a link. You can attempt the quiz anytime, guys. Sodium, aluminium, magnesium, and silicon. What is common between them? What is common between them? What is the common factor in them? The common factor indeed is the same period. They all belong to the same period. Quickly, guys, quickly. So we have sodium, magnesium, aluminium, and silicon. They belong to the same period. That is the third period of the periodic table. It is super easy, basic, fundamental question. I'm very sure most of you will get it right. Let's see what is the answer. Okay, guys, as we move along the period, effective nuclear charge increases. So that is the correct answer. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, and silicon. Let's have the next question, guys. Question number 3. Let's see the next question. Element and electronegativity values are given. So for element W, the electronegativity value is 2.7. For X, it is 2.1. For Y, it is 0.8. For Z, it is 3.4. What is the incorrect statement regarding the above information? So the elements along with their electronegativity values are given. Incorrect statement you are supposed to. Okay, let's see. Let's see, guys. Okay, tricky question indeed. So there is the electronegativity difference given, right? So when two bonded atoms, if the electronegativity difference between the two bonded atoms is less than 0.5, you can say they will act as a non-polar molecule because the electronegativity difference is not much. So they will not conduct electricity in either fused or molten form. But when the electronegativity difference between two bonded atoms is in between, you can say 0.5 to 1.5, so they can conduct electricity when dissolved in a solution. But when the two bonded atoms have electronegativity difference more than 2, that means that the molecule is polar, right? And that will conduct electricity in both molten form, fused form, as well as the solution, right, guys? So the correct answer, of course, is Wx. You are supposed to figure out the incorrect statement. W is having 2.7 and X is having 2.1. So electronegativity difference between the two is very less, right? So it cannot conduct electricity in fused form. So fused form, the substance has to be polar. The electronegativity difference between the two bonded atoms should be more, right? So the answer indeed is this. Let's move on to the next question, question number 4. Let's have the fourth question here, guys. The following option give the four ionization energies of four elements. There are four elements and the ionization energies are given to you. Which element occurs in 13 groups? So for element P, the first four ionization energies are given. For element Q, the first four ionization energies are given. For R and for S, you are supposed to figure out which elements belong to the 13th group of the periodic table. Yes, guys, quickly, which is from the 13th group? 13th group, that means it should have three valence electron. 13th group, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. That is 13th group, right guys? 13th group, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. 13th group. Quickly, quickly, click on the answer quickly. What should be the answer, guys? Okay, time is up. Let us see. Let us see. So in element R, you can see the values after third ionization energy, which is 2751. The fourth ionization energy is suddenly very high, 11,000. There is a sudden jump in ionization energy's value from third to fourth, right? That means this R element has three valence electrons from going after losing three electrons, it becomes stable. That means it belongs to that group which has three valence electron, that is 13th group. So indeed, those who give this answer, well done, guys. Kudos, you're rocking. Let's move on to the next question, guys. Question number 5 from periodic classification of elements, a fundamental, very important chapter. The successive ionization energies are given. What is the formula of its bromide for an element M? You are provided with the five successive ionization energies and you are supposed to figure out the formula of its bromide. Yes, what is the formula of its bromide? Quickly, guys. So quickly you can join the quiz, guys. Quickly you can join the quiz by clicking on the link given in the description box. Very fast, guys. We did the last question on the similar pattern. The just it is a different way in which the question is being projected here, right? Quickly, guys. Yes, quickly. And do not forget to like the session, guys. You're so confused now in liking the sessions. You're preparing for exam, which is so tough. You you are daring to do a tough exam, targeting a tough exam, right? So like तो बनता है भाई, like तो किया करो. Okay, guys, so that's the answer. That is B. So you can see the ionization energy values. You can see after three values, there's a sudden jump from 29 it becomes 113. That means this element has three valence electrons. So what is the charge on M? That is plus 3. So of course, cross multiplying the valency, you will get MBr3 is the formula because the valency of M is 3. It becomes stable after losing 3 electrons. That is why it is difficult to remove the fourth electron, right? Do you get it, guys? Yo or no? Do you get it? Yes? Okay, let's move on to the next question, guys. Let's have a look at the next question quickly. Leaderboard will appear after a while. Okay, arrange sulfur, oxygen, selenium, ascending order of electron affinity. Quick. Yes, quickly. Okay, okay, let's have a look whether you get it right or not. Yes, everyone should know that fluorine has lower electron affinity than chlorine. The chlorine is having the highest electron affinity in the periodic table. Similarly, because of the small size of oxygen, it is so small that adding an extra electron can lead to inter-electronic repulsions. That is why oxygen is having the lowest affinity in group number 16. Yes, guys. So indeed, the answer is correctly given by most of you. That is B. Let's move on to the next question, guys. Quickly moving on to the next question. Let's have a look. Which of the following statement is correct? X negative is larger in size than X positive is larger in size than X positive negative are in equal size, X positive is larger in size than X negative. You are supposed to figure out the correct statement. So cation, anion and the parent atom, you are supposed to compare their sizes. Very fundamental thing. Let's see how many of you get it right, guys. Quick, 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 quick. Figure out the correct statement quickly. Shatru will see the leaderboard after a while. No, of course not, Anj. Either have their own exams, either they take admission by JE or they will have their own exam, that is IAT exam, either aptitude test, right? So guys, let's see. Yes, X negative anion is bigger than parent atom, whereas cation is smaller than parent atom, right guys? So I'm sure everyone should know that cation is having the smaller size than the parent atom, whereas the anion having the bigger size, the larger size as compared to the parent atom. Yup, done. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. Here we have. Which of the following statement is not correct about modified Mendeleev's periodic table? So, which is not correct about the modified Mendeleev's periodic table? Here we have. Okay. Quickly, guys, let's see who will get it right this time about the Mendeleev's periodic table, a very good representation of elements by Mendeleev. Time is up. Time is about to end, guys. Oh my god, such a confusing state you all are in. Yes, not correct. You're supposed to tell which is not correct. Group 8. Yes. So we have 1 to 7 group as AB, group AB. And in 8th group we have, yes, how many subgroups are there in 8th group in Mendeleev's periodic table? So from 1 to 7 they are AB, and in 8th group we have ABC, and later on there is a zero group added which has noble gases, right? So which is not correct. You're supposed to figure out which is not correct. The answer indeed is B. B is not the correct. From 1 to 7 we have AB. From in the 8th we have ABC. Yes. Let's move on to the next question, guys. Question number 9. The metals present in insulin hemoglobin are, quickly guys, very generic question. I'm sure you all know which element or metal is present in insulin and which is present in hemoglobin. Quickly do it correct. Yes, quickly, be quick. Which element is present in insulin and which is present in hemoglobin? Quick, guys. Okay, well done. Good going, guys. Most of you gave the right answer. Indeed, zinc is present in insulin, whereas iron is present in hemoglobin, that is blood, right? Well done, guys. Let's see. Most of you gave the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. There is some issue with the leaderboard. It is not showing up, guys. There is some issue, I guess. It's not showing up. Let's see. Yes, mercury sticks to the surface of glass when it comes in contact with. So your mercury sticks to the surface of glass when it comes in contact with HgO, HNO3, O3 and or grease. Quickly. Quickly. Please, you can play the V quiz, Shiv OP. You can be a part of V quiz. There's a link to join the quiz in the description box. Quickly waiting for your answers, everyone. So mercury sticks to the surface. Quick. So time is up. Time is up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So you can expect such questions based on elements, their uses, and the journal chemistry, right, guys? So you didn't give the right answer, guys. So the answer indeed is ozone. Nobody gave the right answer. So when your mercury reacts with ozone, it forms Hg2O, which get dissolved in mercury, right? And it loses its meniscus by forming Hg2O, which is soluble in mercury. This phenomenon is also known as tailing of mercury. Tailing of mercury is the correct answer. So ozone, when your Hg mercury reacts with ozone, it forms Hg2O. That is tailing of mercury, right? Okay, guys, let's move on to the next question quickly. Let's have a look at the next question of today's week quiz. The statement that is not correct for periodic classification of elements is the incorrect statement you are supposed to figure out from all the statements. Ishan, just click on the link given in the description box. Ishan Chopper. Anyone can be a part of this quiz. They can be a part of this quiz anytime. The properties of element are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. Non-metallic elements are less than metallic elements. The first ionization energy do not vary regularly. Yes. So Shiv OP, there is a link given in the description box. You're supposed to click on that link and you can mark your answers there, guys. There's a link given in the description box. Those who are new to the week quiz, there is a link, week quiz link given in the description box. Click on that link. You can play the quiz. You can click on the right answers. Yes, guys. Okay, right. So guys, for of course transition D block elements, you know there are exceptional cases, the configuration of chromium, the configuration of copper, they are exceptional cases. They are not following the regular rules, right? To become stable, to have more symmetry, to have more exchange energy, chromium is D5, copper is D10. So there are exceptions, exceptional cases, right? So of course, this is not the correct statement, D donkey. Let's move on to the next question. Quickly, 12th question without wasting your precious time now. Again, choose the incorrect statement, guys. Second ionization energy of sulfur is more than chlorine. Third ionization energy of aluminium is more than phosphorus. First ionization energy of gallium is more than aluminium. And the third ionization energy of magnesium is more than aluminium. Interesting question. Please see the each option nicely. Okay. Guys, be careful while marking, and still you can do the same kind of mistakes while filling the OMR also. So be very mindful while you are marking the answer, guys. I can see Gotham Ultra Cross move. So when if you are saying, "Ma'am, galti se galat mark ho gaya." So this गलती can cost you a lot, guys. OMR में एक बार fill कर दिया, फिर उसको कैसे rub करोगे? Yes, guys. Okay, let's see. Of course, third ionization energy of aluminium is less because after losing two electrons, there's just one electron left in aluminium in the valence shell. It can be lost easily to become stable. So aluminium wants to lose the third electron, right, to become stable, to have a configuration like neon. So the energy required to remove the third last electron from aluminium indeed is less than phosphorus. Of course, that is the incorrect statement. And you can see, guys, A also given by most of you, C and D. It's a pretty good question, tricky question. Most of you fall into the trap. And those who gave B, well done, guys. Let's see the leaderboard now. Finally, we have a leaderboard, guys. After so long, we have a leaderboard. So Gautam is leading. Well done, Gautam. Followed by Ananya. We have Shatrup. Very nice. We have Divyanshu, Akanksha, Arnav, Suvarti, Saurabh, Rohan, and Backbencher, right? Yes. So this is the leaderboard after so many questions. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 13. So we are done with 12 questions. Still 8 more to go, guys. We can expect a lot of changes in the leaderboard. Which of the following oxide is most acidic in nature? Magnesium oxide, beryllium oxide, barium oxide, and calcium oxide. So the nature of oxides: acidic, basic, neutral, amphoteric, very important. Every one of you should know which oxide shows which kind of behavior, right? Quickly, guys, quickly mark the question. Okay, we are done. We are done. We are done. And yes, of course, they all are like in S block, right? Metallic oxides are basic in nature. So magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, barium oxide, they're metallic oxides, they're basic in nature. And as we move down the group, the basic nature of oxides increases. Beryllium oxide is amphoteric. It can show acidic as well as basic properties, right? So beryllium oxide, as you can say also, from going top to down in a group, the basic nature of oxides increases, right? Beryllium oxide is amphoteric, shows both the properties. So of course, the correct answer is B, that is BeO. Okay, let's move on to the next question, question number 14. Yes, guys, let's quickly have the 14th question. An atom with high electronegativity has large size, high ionization potential, low electron affinity, or low ionization potential. Very easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you know these terms, only then it is easy. Right? If you know what is ionization energy, if you know what is electronegativity, affinity, then only this question is easy for you. Yes. No, it's not a multi-correct. It is not a multi-correct, it's a single correct. High electronegativity. What does that mean? High electronegativity. Quickly, quickly. And time is about to end. And let's see, guys. Of course, if the element is highly electronegative, that means it has tendency to attract the electron pair toward itself. It wants to add it wants to attract the electron, it doesn't want to lose the electron, right? That means it has a smaller size. Small size means more electronegativity, plus it has more ionization energy because it wants to add electrons. So it is very difficult to take out the electron from that atom. That means the atom has high ionization energy. The energy required to remove the electron will be high because it is electronegative, right, guys? So very good going, guys. B is the correct answer. Most of you gave the right answer. Let's move on to the next question, guys. Question number 15. Gotham, this, of course, this is for Science Olympiad. Gotham, we started this channel for Science Olympiad, right? So, of course, for Science Olympiads, and we just started this channel this year. You know, I have been taking sessions on VOS, and I know most of you are aware of VOS, but yes, indeed, because we have this session, you can spread the word, Gotham. Tell the other students that we have this new channel for Science Olympiad, VS, so Vedantu Science Olympiad channel, right, guys? So we are expecting the same love that you give to us, like for VOS. Okay, so very well done. Time is up, time is up, time is up. Bulletproof steel alloy is prepared by using zirconium. Such questions, like a question was asked, like in which element used in MRIs and all. Such questions are likely to be asked. You should know the elements and their uses in real life, guys. Right? That is the beauty of science. Now, if you can't apply science in your real life, what is the point of studying science? Okay, guys, all the best. That's all I can say, Ansh. Let's move to the next question. Question number 16th of today's week quiz. To support tungsten filament in electric bulbs, the metal used is, okay, to, you know, everyone, there's a tungsten W is used in bulb filament. Which metal is used to support that filament? Quick, quick, quick. Everyone knows tungsten. W symbol is W, that is being used in bulbs, right? To support that tungsten filament, there is another filament which is used in bulb. What is that? Yes, chromium, nickel, manganese, molybdenum. Which element? Don't cheat, guys. No cheating. Okay, okay, okay. So much confusing. Okay, you can see the many are also saying chromium, and like, but most of you, just one more saying molybdenum. Indeed, it is molybdenum. So your tungsten filament is supported by molybdenum filament, which is further attached to lead wires, right, guys? So this is how your bulb is. Let's have the next question, guys. Let us have the next question, guys. Let's have the next question. The incorrect statement among the following is, the incorrect statement among the following is, the first ionization energy of aluminium less than the first ionization energy of magnesium, the second magnesium is more than the second of sodium, the first ionization potential of sodium is less than the first ionization potential of magnesium, the third ionization potential of magnesium is greater than that of aluminium. Quickly, guys. Time is about to end, guys. Yep. Okay, okay, okay. Ionization energy need important part for your, oh my god, stuck. So important part for your NSEJS, of course, the second ionization potential of magnesium is greater than second ionization potential of sodium. That is incorrect because sodium, after losing one electron, it acquires the stable configuration of neon, bachon, right? Yes. Okay, let's move on to the next question now. 18th question of today's week quiz. No, Mayank, it's single correct only. Which of the following is not correct? So we have been taking mock test also, guys. Mock test regularly we have been taking, in which we have the exact NSEJS pattern: 20 physics, 20 chemistry, 20 biology, single correct, multiple correct. I am sure you are watching those mock tests. You are solving those mock tests on the channel, guys. Yes, of course, Ishan. So which of the following is not correct? Today I'm going to make you practice not correct, incorrect, not correct. So that you keep in mind whenever most of the time the question is which is correct, right? And when it comes as incorrect, not correct, most of the students miss that point and गलती से गलत हो जाता है. Okay, okay. And SEHS's mock test, NSEJ's mock test, you can attempt the both. They'll be having nearly the same level. Okay, guys, which of the following is not correct, right? So atomic size, as we move along the period from like nitrogen to fluorine, the atomic size decreases because of increase in effective nuclear charge. So your fluorine should be having lesser atomic size as compared to oxygen and then nitrogen, right? As we move along the period, atomic size decreases, so it is incorrect, right? Ionization energy increases. Nitrogen has highest ionization, more ionization energy, not highest, because of half-filled configuration. And this is the case of isoelectronic species. For isoelectronic species, more is the atomic number, smaller is the size. Please keep in mind, guys, this is very important. Next question, let's have a look at the next question. The second last question for today's week quiz on periodic classification, guys. The best explanation for not placing hydrogen with group alkali metals and halogen is why hydrogen? The position of hydrogen is still controversial. We cannot place it with the alkali metals, that is group 1, not with halogens, that is group 17. It is one of the drawbacks of today's modern periodic table as well. The position of hydrogen is still controversial. What is the reason behind, guys? Okay, okay, okay. That's okay, guys. Most of you gave C, and some of you gave A, also few of A. So the ionization of energy is not too high for group, like it's too high to be placed in group alkali metals, but too low to be placed in group halogens. Halogens have high like ionization energies. They are non-metals. Whereas alkali metals, they have low ionization energy. They are like, so your hydrogen behaves like a metal also, like alkali metals also, it behaves like your non-metals, halogens also. So that is the main panga, that is the main problem with hydrogen, guys. So कहीं का नहीं रहा हमारा hydrogen. Let's move on to the next. Last question for today's week quiz, and after that we'll see the winner for today's week quiz. Cesium metal imparts color to flame because, so alkali metals show flame test. This different metals show different colors when burning the flame. Very important. If you don't know about the flame test, do read it. Flame test, different metals shows different color in the flame. Yes. So why cesium impart color? Yeah, any alkali metal which gives color, it imparts color. What is the reason for flame test? Yes, guys. Okay, well done. I'm really impressed with this answer, guys. Of course, the alkali metals, they have low ionization energy. So the heat of the burner is sufficient to excite their electron, right? So the electrons in them that by absorbing the heat from the burner, that goes to high energy level where it is unstable. When it comes back, it emits it radiation wavelength that falls in the visible region, and corresponding to the wavelength you can see the color, right? Because of the low ionization energy of alkali metals, flame test is given, right guys? Got it? So the answer is A, because your alkali metals have low ionization energies, so it is easy to excite their electron by using the heat of a burner. And when they get de-excited, they emit radiation which falls in visible region, and that shows color. Flame test important. And one more thing I want to add on here, guys: beryllium, magnesium do not show flame test because of their high ionization energy. The burner heat is not sufficient to excite their electron, right? So that's all. Do read the flame test, guys. Let's have the final leaderboard. Let's have a look at the final leaderboard, guys. I have explained again, Jiraya. So we have Ananya Kashyap as our winner for today's week quiz. Well done, Ananya. Four diya, macha diya bhai. And followed by Shatrub Ghosh. Shatrub, well done again. And we have Gautam on number 3. So congratulations, and rest of you also write your rank in the chat if you can, guys. Yes, so do write your rank, those points, the rank that you get, of course, in this today's week quiz on periodic classification of elements. Important, important, important for Junior Science Olympiad, for SEHSS exam. Do not forget to revise this topic, right, from inorganic chemistry. Yes, and do not forget to like this session, guys. Yep, if these sessions are helping you, for your preparation of Science Olympiads or laying a good foundation for JEE and NEET, so do not forget to like the session, right guys? Okay, I can see Tanishk at 9th position, Ultra was at 5th position, Suvarti with 0.10450. Okay, great, 4th position Suvarti has. And well done, guys. Keep going, rocking. Exam is very near. Keep up the spirit high. You're already winner, preparing for such a tough exam, targeting to clear these exams. बढ़िया कर रहे हो, लगे रहो, जोश, लास्ट मिनट पे पुश दो, मजा आने वाला है। आई एम श्योर तुम्हें 23 नवंबर को यू विल बी हैविंग अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस, एन एक्सपीरियंस जो तुम्हें बिल्कुल हमेशा याद रहेगा कि आप एक इतना बढ़िया एग्जाम के लिए तैयार किए थे, इतना बढ़िया एग्जाम दे के आए थे. दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट एक्सपीरियंस, दैट फीलिंग, that is important, right guys? So that's all for today. That's it, guys. And because exam is near, so we'll be having a lot of activity on the channel, so stay tuned. बेल आइकन प्रेस रखो ताकि तुम्हें वीक क्विज, मॉक टेस्ट जो भी हम ले रहे हैं चैनल पे, सबकी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिलती रहे. बाय, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल, कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग, गाइस. ओके क्लिंट्स, okay, bye guys, take care, god bless you all. Next week quiz will be on organic chemistry, guys, so stay tuned. Organic chemistry week quiz, I'll be coming soon.